Are we serious? Blue hair, bro. Dog, holy fucking damn. Those are blue ethereal. Look, that blue is.
But I need you to understand I'm dead serious. If I was a young man, I would
start being me.
jack
right?
my dick off until I die.
Yep, that's what he. I remember this.
I wouldn't date. I just make money and just die.
No, we're fried. There's no way,
You really did add on to that.
Bro, you really.
I feel like not enough people talk about this. We probably look
She was crying about how we need to get everyone a phone. What percentage of Americans own a phone? Smartphone. Sorry, I should say smartphone specifically.
80.
It is 98%.
What?
I guess we need to get everyone that. So internet. What about that? The one that the government has to pay for. What usage in the United States? Who has access to the internet?
It's not about having access. It's about providing these things so that
Providing. So people are already getting them, but what percent?
70%?
99. You don't know what you're talking about. You're performative.
I know that these are things that could improve people's lives. That's all I need to know.
Well, good news. They have 99% have it, so...
And they would be even happier if it was free.
No, they wouldn't, because it would not be as good. If it was free, they wouldn't be competing
it would provide
Dude,
that
if the
bare
internet
minimum.
was free in Austin, Texas, AT&T Spectrum and Google Fiber wouldn't be competing to make lower cost, higher speed fiber. We wouldn't have that because it would just be one provider and they would have no need to make it better ever. I'm happy that capitalism has produced higher speed internet.
It's a valid point, but I still don't get why he's bringing up how many people are on phones and shit.
No counterpoint. Wonderful. And that's usually what I expect from people like you.
Having your needs met.
Dog, what led up to this shit, bro? Why is he so pissed?
So that you can dream?
What sacrifices have you done? Actual sacrifices. Because here's the reality with people like you. Your activism has cost you nothing. Nothing. Awareness is the cheapest version of morality. Everyone's aware. You've sacrificed
Everyone's
nothing.
aware. We were just talking about Delaney Hall, right? Right across the street is the...
There's a lot of dumbass people that aren't aware, like her. Like her.
Knicks game. People filling up the streets.
Awareness of every single little detail, not necessarily, but awareness of the world around them. Your morality is cheap. You've sacrificed nothing ever. You're a poster.
I'm out here trying to help people.
No, you're a slogan capturer. You're a talking point person, not an outcomes-oriented person. No, you're not.
My outcome isn't for...
You want to feel good and be lifted up by your community.
I want to help communities build. Learn how communities are doing it in rural areas
I want to help communities build.
versus really populous areas, and learn how we can bring what's working in certain cities to cities that need that community building. That's what I'm out here doing.
Yeah, you couldn't comment on anything I brought up.
Well, I
Not a
can
single
comment
thing.
on what these people are experiencing because
On how
I've
capitalism
heard
has
it.
improved people's lives.
Well, they're not.
dramatically.
They're not.
Capitalism is-
Nobody
You
I've
couldn't-
spoken to is yay capitalism.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, the few dozen people she's talking to in her life. It
It's 3
actually has an
years.
impact.
I've been doing this for 3 years.
Wow, 3 years. What about the 300 million Americans? Did you talk to every single one of them?
No.
Ooh, then maybe we should just go off of data. The fuck are you? My goodness.
I want to see people's lives improve. And the government has a role to play in
You
that.
killed your parents because they asked for more context.
Because
People
they
disagree
like
with you
a
slightly and
pedophile,
they're a
and-
fascist.
People who...
Exactly, bro. That last line.
In case you needed a reason to unfollow me, no child thinks they're born in the wrong body until a creepy adult deliberately puts that idea in their head. In case you...
Ralph, listen, I gotta be honest. Your output is...
In case you needed a
Literally just true.
reason to unfollow me,
The government, the private company themselves, not even about money and whatever method that the most medications and medical processes, they cost money. And where does that money go?
No child thinks they're born in the wrong.
Ralph,
Have another chance to foretell your doom. This man your friend, then know this. When you regard one another as brother, and this man's ambition crumbles, it is your destiny to face your death. You cannot escape your fate.
Lenguinho.
For some of the meats and for milk, there's risk for infection.
See, the problem is that you've been taught the bacteria theory.
Bacteria is not a theory, I'm sorry.
Yes. Well, bacteria is not a theory. There's bacteria in all of this. To fear these is a problem. When you pasteurize or cook something and the bacteria feeds on it, then you have a toxic byproduct. That's why 2 years ago at Davis in Northern California, there's 5 different bacteria that are accused of growing in raw milk. Since the lactic acid could not grow, it could not flourish. However, when they spike pasteurized milk, the raw milk, raw meat or not, the bacteria feeds on it, there are toxic.
I'm starting to worry that pasteurized milk, even if there's like the alternatives, those are like ultra, even regular pasteurized milk, which is what I've been using, it's not taxed by the government. And that should be a red flag, a massive red. Don't tell me this is where I pull it up, right?
As the CMO of a marketing agency, my biggest hurdle was mistaking
Yo,
What if you're...